Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots to the application. In the previous video we installed and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video at this channel. Now let's move to adding this device to the app, and firstly we need to pair them with a phone. So open Settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button if you have it at the connected devices or Bluetooth, because not all Android phones have this button, and then open the charging case. Then remove your earbuds from the case, and if your earbuds not connected with another device, they will enter to prank mode automatically and you will see them at the device list. Tap on them, and if your earbuds connected with another device, you need to go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and then at the device list click the information icon or settings icon and click disconnect. After that your earbuds enter to prank mode. Now we can hide the settings and open TOZO application. Click add device, and right here it found our earbuds, so just tap on them. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!